also awareness.
Yes!
That is the main reason why I am Mom. So if I have given the chance to enter a time machine, I will go back to the moment whatever happens, I will continue your legacy and I will continue to make you proud. And I think that is my only reason why I am here tonight. Hindi para makipagmagandahan sa kanila. Maraming magaganda. Maraming sexy. Pero ako, ang inilalaban ko ay yung puso ko.
By just saying that which is more